Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore Elite washer and electric dryer, and right now I want to show you nice and clean. Everything looks good, and as if you were standing here yourself testing it out. Go ahead and turn this on. Set to large load. Tons of options on this guy. Got it set to fast. Just want to show you a few things on it. One, that it does in fact fill up with water like it's supposed to. And of course the washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked and everything has to work perfectly before it leaves my care or even gets listed up for sale. So as you can see, it's bringing that water in. I'm going to show you real quick that the agitator works here. You should be able to freely spin this in one direction and then not back the other way without the whole thing moving. So freely this way, then not back the other way. If you can spin this freely like this in both directions, then this is not working. This is actually broken. So something you can even check on your own washer. Make sure your clothes are getting nice and clean. Go ahead and just switch this over to the spin cycle. Oh, maybe a little too far there. We'll go right about there. You can hear it draining the water out. See how the drain there works. I'm going to let this get up to full speed. We'll open the lid, show you it's spinning nice and fast. It's nice and smooth. And the lid switch will kick in and shut it down, so you know that works. As I said, nice, smooth operation. Sounds great. Flip that up. It actually has a brake that it applies, so it comes to a stop nice and fast. That's going to be it for this guy. Go ahead and show you that the dryer works. Alright guys, now I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. Go ahead and close that up. Put it on time dry, high heat, and just hit go. It's a little louder because I don't have the vent on the back of it. I'm actually going to pause it and stick that vent on the back of it real quick. Alright, got the vent on there. Now you can hear it's a little bit quieter. Just finally give it a chance to heat up, because I'm going to show you that it's heating like it's supposed to. Also, right in between those two red dots, you're going to get a surface temperature measurement. Kind of see the difference there between the top of the dryer and the floor. So we'll go ahead and open this up. And we're going to shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You see plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. Now the heating element is right behind this panel, so the heat comes up and out that tube. It'll heat the inside of your dryer anywhere from about 95 to 195. And that's just going to depend on what you have your heat setting at. Because if you wanted low, delicates, that type of thing, for something that can't get very hot, you have that option, medium and then high. And over here, time dry, you also have automatic dry, so you can just set it on automatic and let it go. Of course, your lint trap right on top here. Pull that out and clean it with every load. Now you know everything on the dryer works perfect. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. You guys have a great day. Thanks.